Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you the English version CapCut PC download tutorial. And here is what you need to do if you want to download the English version of CapCut for PC. So here you need to open the CapCut.com in your browser on your computer or laptop, and then here this page will appear. You can actually open it in a browser, but if you want to download, just click on download for Windows, click on this, and then the download link will be appear like this, and then you can just click on start download, or in your it will automatically downloading, so just click on that, and then the download process will be starting. So that's the first way. I'm going to pause it for a while. In it on a Windows laptop in your computer, you can just open the My column. You can find the keyword CapCut in CapCut, and, and here the apps will appear. You can just click on the apps, and then after that the CapCut page will be show up. You can just click on installation process will CapCut we download and install in here of my CapCut downloaded, so I don't my okay. I'm going to close some windows. Okay, so here is my CapCut, and it's in English. Okay guys, so I think that's all. I hope this video will be helpful to you in downloading CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time. Can see it's on English. Okay, bye.